Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a website where you can be making at least $100 every day, okay, by just completing simple tasks. Okay, this website actually works for every part of the world. Okay, it doesn't select country. No matter the country you are, maybe you're from Nigeria, you're from USA, you're from Ghana, South Africa, you're from Uganda, any country you are, this platform actually works. Okay, and basically what you're going to be doing on this platform is you're just going to be testing applications, you're going to watch videos, and you're going to just do simple tasks and then earn money. Okay, I'm going to be dropping a link in the description of this video. So once you use my link to register to this platform, you're going to get $25 immediately. Okay, you're going to get $25 bonus immediately. As you can see here, you can see I have $143 here already, and I can actually withdraw this once it gets up to $200. Okay, I can actually withdraw it to my account once it gets to $200. Okay, so let me just take you through the website and tell you what this website is all about. Okay, so the first thing here, they say, okay, how you can earn on this website. You can actually invite people and earn. You can complete the simple tasks, and when people click on your link, even if they don't sign up, once they click on your link you get $2, and once they sign up using your link on the platform you get $20. Okay, so there are several ways you can earn on this platform. Okay, so before I show you the name of this platform, if you're beginning to like this video, I will say you should just give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and if you're interested in making money online, if you're new to this channel, you're just seeing this, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button. Okay, hit on that subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop new videos on this channel, you're going to get notification from YouTube that a video just dropped. Okay, so you get to watch it and then learn whatever I teach in the video. Okay, so I want you to if you're enjoying this video, just go in the comment section, type in make money online. Okay, make money online. Just go and type in make money online in the comment section. Okay, just do that for me while I show you how the website works. Okay, so before I show you how to sign up, I'm just going to show you how to make money on this website first. Okay, so this is my dashboard here. You can see my earning here. Let me show you how I made this. Okay, so once you get to your dashboard, first thing you want to do is you click on this three dash at the top corner of this website. So once you just click on the dash, there are options for you to select. Okay, so by completing tasks you can make money, by watching videos you can make money. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is let's just check on this completing tax. Okay, so once you click on tax center, you're going to see options. You're going to see the tax you can complete and make money. Okay, so let's see. The first tax here is recommend. Okay, randomly recommend the most popular game. Okay, so what you just do here is you click on this view app. Okay, so once you click on view app, you just spend some time viewing the app. It's just like a website. So once you just spend some seconds viewing it and you come back to your dashboard, automatically you're going to make $20 for yourself. Okay, so let's just try this now and see what happens. Okay, so now I'll click on view app. You can see it's loading. Okay, so this is just an ad we are going to just view. Okay, so you just spend few seconds viewing this. Just spend few seconds viewing this. You might not even do anything on the platform, you might not even sign up for anything. Okay, so you just view it, spend few seconds, scroll up and down, and you just go back to your dashboard. Okay, so when you get back to your dashboard, you check your available balance. Okay, let's check the available balance and see if it was added or not. Okay, so let's go back home and see. Okay, previously it was $143. Okay, let me restart it and see if it's going to add or not. Okay, you can see the $20 has been added already. You can see now it's $163. Okay, so by just doing that, $20 was added to my to my dashboard, and this is something you can always repeat. Okay, so but you have a limit to how many tasks you can complete per day. Okay, you can only complete 5 tasks per day. So on each task you complete, you have $20. So $20 times 5, that's like $100 per day. Okay, by just completing the task. And on the video aspect, you can watch only 3 videos per day. Okay, and on each video you watch, you can make up to $15. Okay, so let's just check the videos we have for today, and you can only watch 3. You can see this is video 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so each videos offers $15. Okay, so I don't want to take much of your time, so I will just say I won't watch the video. Okay, because if I start watching it, it's going to take time. Okay, some of them are up to 5-10 minutes. Okay, so once you just click on end the 15, the video is going to start counting. So once it's finished, the money will be added to your dashboard immediately. Okay, so now I'm going to just show you how you can create an account for yourself. Okay, so all you need to create an account is just your email and some of your details. Okay, so this website is totally free, you don't have to invest. Okay, and okay, let me show you payment options you can use to cash out your money once it gets to $200. Okay, so there are lots of payment options here if you want to withdraw your money. I actually selected Pioneer. Okay, so there are lots more you can select for yourself. Okay, so let me just show you options of the payment method they have. Okay, so you can see they have Payoneer, they have Google Play, they have OPay, they have Verve, they have PayPal, they have Western Union, they have Cash App, they have Bitcoin, USDT, ETH, Dogecoin, bank card, phone, Zelle, and Venmo. Okay, so there are lots of payment method here. You can just select anyone you like. Okay, so you select, once you just select it and you make up to $200 on this platform, you can actually withdraw to any of your payment details you have provided. Okay, so I'll just show you guys how to create account on this website right now. So once you just create account, remember I'm going to be dropping the link to this platform on the description of this video. So once you just use the link to sign up, you get $25 automatically. Okay, so don't miss it. All right, and if you're enjoying this video, make sure you give this video a like. Okay, and go to the comment section, type in "make money online." Do that for me. Okay, just do that for me. Okay, let me know that you guys are really getting value from this the contents I'm creating. Okay, so type in "make money online" while I show you how to create account on this website. Okay guys, the name of this website is Money Easily. Okay, so once you just click on the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video, you're going to be directed here. Okay, so you just click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up, you're going to just see a page where you have to put in your details. Okay, you're going to put in your full name here. Let me say Francis Nego. Username, you can just use any, you can use your nickname. Then here you input your email address, and here you create a password. You repeat the password, and that is it. Once you just click on create, automatically you're going to get the $25 in your dashboard immediately. Okay, so this is just how this platform works. Okay, I already have an account with them, so there's no need creating another one. I'll just log into my account, so I'll continue with you guys. Okay guys, this is my dashboard. I will just complete one more task so you can see that this thing is actually real. Okay, now we have $163 on my dashboard. So let me just complete one more task and then close the video. Okay, so you can just easily sign up and then follow the steps I provided here. Okay, so let me click on the next task here, and then you can just follow these steps. Okay, so you can see it's loading. All right, this is the website we are directed to, and you're not allowed, or you're not supposed to do anything on this website. You just have to just view. Once you just view it, okay, once you view, you spend few seconds viewing it, you just cancel and go back to your dashboard, and automatically your money is going to be added to your dashboard. Okay, so let's check and see how much we have here again. Okay, Previously it was 163, so let me restart it and see how much we'll be having. Okay, it's still 163. I guess I didn't complete the task then. Okay, I didn't complete the task. Okay, let me do that again, or let me choose some other task. Okay, now you want to complete task, you click on this side button, you click on task center. So once you click on the task center, you're just going to select any of these. There are 5. It's only 5 you're permitted to do a day. Okay, so let me just click on this and see what is gonna come up with. Okay, so make sure you spend few minutes, at least spend 1 minute on the website you're going to be directed to. Okay, so maybe that's why the $20 was not added previously. Okay, spend at least 1 minute on the website you're directed to, so you can just view the ads they have there. You can read through any content you see there. Just make sure you spend few minutes. You can spend up to 30 seconds or 1 minute on the website. So once you finish whatever you want to do on the website, you just go back to your money easily dashboard, and then you check your available balance. Okay, so I think we've spent up to 30 seconds here, so let me just go back to my dashboard right now and see what we have there. Okay, so let me check and see what we have on my dashboard. Okay, let me click here. Alright, you can see the $20 has been added. You can see it was 163, now it is 183. Okay, that's because we were able to complete this one. I spent few minutes on that app I was directed to. Okay, so you can see it was added. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to be doing on this website, and if you're good at referrals, you get $20 on each person you refer to this website. Okay, so let's make this work out. Just make sure you invite your friends, you make more money. You watch videos, you make more money. Complete simple tasks, you still make money. Okay, so if this sounds like something you like, and if you're going to try it out, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video, don't forget to drop a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends. Okay, and once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop new videos like this, you're going to get notified by YouTube and get the video I drop immediately, so you can actually learn and start implementing. Okay, so I thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.